Pro Luxury. My name's Desiree. I'm with Ray of Light SEO, and in this video, I'm going to go over 3 things that you can do today to bring in more clients to your business and help your business grow. Most likely you're thinking, well, what am I doing and why am I taking my time to do this for you? Well, the answer is often business owners are so focused on running their business that they don't really know what they can do online to bring in more sales generating leads. So I would like to help you out with that. The only hesitation a lot of business owners have in hiring someone like me is that they don't really know who's an expert and who's not. So I found that by giving people a free attack plan, a few things actually happen. One, people just take and implement what I'm teaching them and they grow their business on their own. Or 2, they actually end up hiring me because they realize they need somebody else to take on that part of their business. Either way, it's helping our local economy. So I do have a few tricks up my sleeve. I'll teach you a couple of them. And if at the end of this video you want me to help you out with even more tricks, I would be happy to chat with you. So reach out. So let me go ahead and show you those 3 things that you can do to help bring in more sales generating leads to your business. The first thing is on your home page, you want to have at least 1,500 words of content with keywords in there so that Google can start optimizing your site. So I have this tool here. It's called SEO Quake. It is a free tool that you can add to your Google Chrome extensions. And when you click on page info for your website, you see that you only have about 125 words of content, and there are not a lot of keywords that Google's ranking you for. But if you look at your competitors, Tidy Cost is your number 1 competitor. They have about 1,400 words that they're ranking for, and you can see their repeated keywords are getting them ranked up higher in the Google optimization. Queen of Maids is your number 2 competitor, and they have just over 2,000 words with several repeating keywords that they are ranking for. So it's something that's very easily beatable that you can do to help bring in more clients. Now, there are the top 6 keywords that I researched for you. The top 6 words that people are ranking out in Google for in your industry are Molly Maids, cleaning services, house cleaning services, house cleaning, commercial cleaning services, cleaning companies near me. So you can use those in your content to help draw in more clients. So if I do a Google search here for cleaning companies near me, the first thing that I see are the ads. So you see sponsored, you see sponsored, sponsored. So those are the companies that are paying Google to run their ads. Now, studies do show that ads are only semi-effective and can definitely become a money pit if the ads that you're running aren't effective. The second thing that we want to talk about today is citations. So your citations rank you in the Google Map Pack. So your Google Map Pack is here. They show you the top 3 on the Google homepage when you do a search, and you can see that you're not in there. But you can see here the reason for that is you only have 7 citations, and what that means are 7 different places where you have your business name, address, and phone number listed. You can see MapQuest, Yahoo. Other places are like the Better Business Bureau, e-commerce, Yellow Pages, places like that. So this is a website called whitespark.ca. Depending on your level of membership, it can cost between $30 to $70 a month or even more. And your site has, again, about 7 citations versus up to 100 citations for your other competitors. You usually want about 300 citations to really be ranked up in Google and to stay at the top of the map pack. And that is submitting word for word your business name, your address, and your phone number exactly as it appears in your Google My Business page. The next thing that we want to talk about here are your backlinks. So if you're talking about backlinks, backlinks are a way for companies online to link out to other pages. So it's called link juice. And when you look for your site, we already know your site's not number one. And you do want to be number one to beat out your competitors, because that means that your competition or people who are searching see your site as number one. Link juice, simply put, means site A is pointing to site B, and so site A is acting like link juice to the other site. It's kind of like a popularity contest, but there's more to it than that. So the links that you obtain for your site to have people come into it, you want sites that give you more authority over others, meaning you don't really want to go out and be linked to a Pizza Hut site, since you're not out slinging pizzas for a living, you're a cleaning company. So you can see from SEO Quake here that you have a total of 24 backlinks, but your competitors have, let's see, we have Tidy Casa here. They have a total of over 1,000. They're nearing 2,000 backlinks. Now, using this tool, this is another tool called Ahrefs. It costs about $300 a month. We can do a site audit here. So the backlinks that you're actually ranking for in Google, you're only ranking for one of the backlinks that SEO Quake is showing, which means that when I click on here and I look at the backlink that you have, mylocalservices.com is the only active website that's linking people back into your website. So we do want to make sure that we're getting link juice coming into your website so that when people are out surfing the internet, they can be redirected. So once again, what we looked at here are, number one, your content. You want to have at least 1,500 words with the keywords that we talked about inside your content. Citations, you want to have at least 200 to 300 citations to beat out your competitors by a landslide. And link juice, you want to have relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you're the main authority in cleaning companies. And if you implement those strategies today, you can be number one across Google. It takes 4 to 6 months once you implement those strategies for Google to really start ranking you in those organic listings. So what now? You can either begin doing those things on your own, or if you're unsure how to proceed, give me a call. My name again is Desiree. I am with Ray of Light SEO. My phone number is 602-560-5428. Again, my name is Desiree. The number is 602-560-5428. I look forward to hearing back from you. Have a great day.